Welcome to the Winegard Company video tutorials. Visit the knowledge base at winegard.com for additional videos and answers to all of your reception questions.
I'm Hans Rabong, Technical Services Manager of the Off-Air Antenna Division at Winegard. What we're going to discuss today is ways for you to tell whether the cartridge housing on your HD series antennas that have cartridge housings is working properly. One thing to look for up at the cartridge housing is to make sure that these two UHF phasing lines do not touch any metal. This will ground out your channels 14 to 69. If so, move them further away from the boom. What you will need to do is get what we call a 75 ohm to 300 ohm matching transformer. It has a coax connector at one end that you hook your down lead to. The other end you're going to attach two alligator clips. What you will do then is go up to your antenna, unsnap the cartridge housing, remove your coax cable, attach the matching transformer. Step one would be to check the UHF signals, which are channel 14 to 69. These are the two middle phasing wires in the cartridge housing. Coming from the front half of the antenna, you're going to attach the matching transformer to the two phasing lines. Have someone check the channels 14 to 69 on your TV set for picture quality. If there is an improvement compared to the cartridge board, then we have a defect on the UHF side of the cartridge board. If there is no improvement on channels 14 to 69 as compared to the picture quality seen with the cartridge board in there, then we have to assume that the cartridge board is working properly and we need to reorientate the antenna or look at some other problem. Okay, once we've checked the UHF signals, step two would be to attach the matching transformer to the VHF phasing lines, which are the ones that come from the back of the antenna and are recessed into the cartridge housing deeper. Once again, someone will need to check pictures on channels 2 through 13 to see if there is an improvement over the cartridge board. Once again, if there's no difference in the signal quality, then we have to assume the cartridge board is working properly. If there is an improvement compared to the cartridge board, then we have a defect in the cartridge board. Okay, now that we've checked the VHF side of the cartridge board and the UHF side of the cartridge board and determined whether there was an improvement on either the V or the U or no improvement on either V or U, the next step would be to put the antenna back together if there was no improvements, or if there was an improvement on either V or U, contact the Winegard Company for a replacement cartridge housing. This has been Hans Rabong with the Winegard Company, showing you how to test the cartridge board on a Winegard HD series antenna with the cartridge housing.
This has been a Winegard Company presentation. For more information on quality reception products made in the USA, please visit winegard.com.